sounds like the last spa treatment. Looky here who's still upright after a day filled to the gills with pirate festivities. If you had yourself a whale of a day, let me hear you shout, aye! Aye, me too. If you didn't meet me before, where were ya? We were waiting for ya. And you should have heard what we were saying about you too. Not pretty. Anywho, pirate folk call me Jolly Roger. But I insist you call me J.R. Now that we've been properly introduced, tell me, who's ready to party like a pirate? That be the spirit. Well, allow me to say, great Blackbeard's night! I just noticed where we be sailing. We just entered pirate waters. Why, some say the legend of Captain Jack Sparrow lives on to this very day, and the pirates of the Caribbean still prowl these mysterious waters. I tell you, mates, the legends be true. And mark well me words, dead man tell no tales. Stand fast, you swans, and prepare to be boarded! All hands, secure the ship! We be in possession of this here vessel. We want what was taken from us. The Golden Gauntlet! The Golden Gauntlet belongs to us! We need to have it back!
It's a powerful weapon!
It can destroy an entire ship with a single blast.
The gauntlet is magic! It can make fire in the sky! It all be true. Who possesses it controls the sea! Just why we want the poor excuse for a pirate what took it from us! And his name be Jack Sparrow. Sounds like they've added him. Aye, and me bones tell me they be hiding the real threat. Archer! He's here! Find him! Show yourself, you mangy hare! Mark well in your words. We will find you! Show yourself!
Ah, there you are!
Where?
Here! Wait, you're not him! Jack, come back to me! I have a surprise for you. Stay on!
Hey! Enough! Turn Sparrow over to us! Or we'll send the lot of you to Davy Jones! Now tell us, where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he?
Yes, where is he? I'm sorry. Who is it that we're looking
Jack
for?
Sparrow!
There should be a captain in there somewhere. Now, kindly on hand, my shipmates. Or shall I blast you all to Davy Jones?
So they are your shipmates.
I think so. Listen, I can't do this all by my onesies, savvy. So you are my shipmates, are you not? There you have it, my shipmates.
Very well. Then they shall share your fate!
Oops, sorry.
Fire!
Did everyone see that? Because I will not be doing it again.
I'll use that rope to hang him! First get the gauntlet! Deal!
Go run!
Get the gauntlet! Don't let him get away! Find
A little help from my crew would have been nice. Savvy?
Give me the gauntlet, Sparrow. It's ours.
You know, possession is in fact 9/10 of the law.
And we'll possess it!
It's really more of a guideline rather than a law, though.
Time for your date with the noose.
You know, I'm cancelling that date.
Like you did, boy! Who is she?
Oh! Not sure I deserve that.
I'll be taking the gauntlet back, Jack. And your hand with it.
I'll take his head.
Any last words?
Oh, just one. Fire? Well, now I can see why everyone wants this little beastie.
Thanks, Jack.
Oh.
I've got the gauntlet.
What's just happened?
Well done, lad. Let me have it.
Yes, let him have it. Blast him to Davy Jones.
Shut your mouth, you pathetic excuse for a pirate.
Stop wasting time.
Hi, I'll blast him.
No, you won't.
Atta girl.
I will.
Scratch that.
Move aside. I deserve the honor. No, I do.
I'll let him have it.
Thank you. Good night.
Sparrow, get the gauntlet.
After him!
You can't escape it.
Seems the pan is mightier than the sword.
Aha!
Oh, back so soon.
The gauntlet, Sparrow. There he is. Get the gauntlet.
Hold, please.
Enough, kids. The gauntlet.
He has it, and he's plotting against the three of you.
What?
You scabrous dog.
Kill him! Ah!
Hello. Goodbye.
No, no, no! You can
Jack! Stop!
Hold, please. Ooh. Now that one I deserve.
Marry me, Jack!
If you had a sister and a dog, I'd choose the dog.
Hey! I knew you'd come round. Hey!
Sparrow.
He was leading. The gauntlet is now ours.
The celebration is over. The gauntlet now belongs to me.
What? Never! I say it be mine!
No! It may be mine!
It be mine!
Wait! Thank you. If you take into account all the unacceptable circumstances that I have had to endure whilst in pursuit of that golden glove over these many years, my crew mutinied against me, forcing me to rot in a godforsaken island twice, without nearly enough rum to sustain them out of my thirst. I was cursed and transformed into a positively wretched skeleton, which is absolute murder on my skin. I was improperly prepared and almost eaten by cannibals. I actually was eaten by the Kraken, and most recently forced to endure zombies, mermaids, and a lost love who enjoys dressing in men's clothing mine while trying to kill me! So I ask you, who deserves to take possession of that golden gauntlet? Them or little old me, eh? There you have it. So, only one question remains, mates. Do we have an accord? Now I must admit I'm torn. Do I blow up your ship with this little beauty? Or do I show mercy on your crew by allowing them to renounce you and join my fine and exceedingly lovely crew? Well played. And as for you, mate, any last words?
Parley?
Parlay! As much as it pains me not to blast you to kingdom come, welcome aboard. There you have it, mates. One big happy family! Now, beastie can really do! Very well. Let's light up the sky, Sammy! Here's to victory! Here's to my new crew! And here's to the adventurous life of a pirate! A pirate's life for me!
Witching hour, a time when pirates, past and present, good and bad, gather to revel in the night. Prepare yourselves, me hearties, for I now welcome one and all to the hottest dance club in all the 7 seas, Club Pirates!
to be dancing the night away at the hottest nightclub on all the seven seas, the Love Pirate!
That's right, we want to see everyone out there up on their feet, because we're going to make it fun started with that best DJ, DJ Nation!
I'm playing no games, so don't get confused, no. Cause you will lose, yeah.
That's right, all of you up on your feet, cause it's time to dance on the cruise ladies you are!
I needed some pockets and chunky kong. Want the chicken with Donkey Kong. Maybe if you ready for life to get heavy, on the floor and I can move when you let me lie. Don't let me just pay me. My name ain't cheese, but I feel when you sweat me. They don't say my name. You go, still won't be on.
It's another way, if you're ready to see the
We want to see all those hands in the air, cause it is time to dance the night away! Jack 12, that's right, we're looking up at you two! We want to see you fist bump it! Alright everyone, it's time to dance the night away! So keep your eyes on the stage and follow along with your cruise style!
So we back in the club with the bodies rocking from side to side, side, side to side. Thank God the week is done. I feel like a zombie gone back to life, back to life. Hands up, and suddenly we all got our hands up. No control of my body. Ain't I seen you before? I think I remember those eyes, 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 eyes. Baby, tonight. Like there's no tomorrow, that's just right now, 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 now. Gonna set the roof on fire, gonna burn this mother lungs and down, 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 down. Hands up, when the music drops, we both put our hands up. Put your hands on my body, swear I've seen you before. I think I remember those eyes, 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 eyes. She know evil, get it baby, hope you catch it like she own. That's how we roll, my life is a movie and you just T-roll. Mommy got me twisted like a dreadlock, she don't whistle but I got it in a headlock. Never ever do make a bedrock, mommy on fire. So bada bing, bada boom, Mr. Worldwide as I step in the room. I'm a hustler baby, that you know, tonight is just me. Yes, I'm baby tonight. DJ God is falling in love. Let go for love. It's like it's the last night of your life. Get you right.
by yourself. It's the pirate show.
They got a brand new dance. You gotta move your muscle. Brand new dance. It's counter to the show. It don't matter if you're young or old.
Ride the juju train just like this.
To the right, to the right, to the right, to the right, to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. You see what I'm talking about? I represent for the dirty South. Where we know swinging now.
Now we're gonna roll over.
What I'm talking about? Hey, hey, hey. Walking by yourself, to the right, to the right, to the right, the right, the right, to the left, to the left, to the left, the left, to the left. Kick now, kick now, kick now, kick now. Walking by yourself, you tell yourself to do the cute shuffle. Listen to the cute shuffle.
All right, me hearties, a very good job. But feast your eyes up here, for what you're all about to see is sure to be a real thriller.
Stop those stories, Mr. You're the one.
Cause it goes on and on and on. And it goes on and on and on. Girls are feeling like sometimes. Gotta let go. I wanna celebrate and live my life. Say your name. That way we go rock it out. We gon' roll all night. We gon' light it up like it's dynamite. 'Cause I told you once, now I told you twice. We gon' light it up like it's dynamite. I came to move, 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 move. Get out the way, me and my crew. Yeah, I'm in the club, so I'm gonna do. Just can't hear it, do. Yeah, 'cause it goes on and on and on.